Hey guys, Ethan. So, today I'm going to talk about 3D printing. So, I'm putting so our test concept. I have a test concept. It is going to be available until February 14th, and then we're gonna close it for a while, and then we're gonna open it back up on like February 20th. And then we are going to actually print like stuff across the world, and across like it's gonna be U.S. shipping only because that's free. So I need a light over here. So what I so I'm putting an owl for my friend named Demetria. So I'm putting what's it called? A 3D print of, what are you called? A owl. And yeah, and she wanted gray. I have other colors as well. I have blue. I have red, which I need a redo all this. Hold on. Green. Gray, which is also on top of that. I have a bunch of gray. White. Yellow. Sorry, yellow. And I also have, let's see, what else do I have? I have also, I'm trying to heal. If I had this organized. I also have black as well. And this is printing an owl. So that's gonna take, let's see. I'm not sure if you guys can see from here. I don't know if I can pull this all the way over though. You know, I'm gonna take a photo if I could. I'll show you how it looks. Right now it shows this. 0 hours and 39 minutes. For an owl. And then after that, I'm putting 5 or 6 what's it called? Stitches, and then we're gonna be off for the night, and then we're gonna resume at like 5 o'clock p.m. Because that's our schedule. We go from 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. And then so yeah, we usually run these through. Yeah, so if you hear these through videos, that's why. Let me do this real quick. So guys, let's go and see you all next week. Goodbye, have a nice day.